Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to record the screen on iPhone. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the settings app on your phone and tap to open it. Once you are in the settings menu, scroll down to find the control center and open it. Once you are in the control center, you will find the included controls and more controls. Find the screen recording feature in the more controls and add it to included controls by tapping on the green plus icon. I have already added and you can set its position by dragging from the three horizontal lines. You can set its position according to your need and then go back to the home screen. Now if you want to start screen recording, swipe down from the top of the screen and here you will find the screen recording feature. Tap to start recording and once you are done, tap again to stop. And that's it. This is how you can record screen recording on iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.